Why, hello everyone! I'm your lovely host, Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice. Halloween edition. For the month of October, I have been giving advice specific to making your Halloween more spooktastic. With the holiday just around the corner, what other advice could I possibly have to give that pertains to Halloween? How about different types of spooky laughs? In my time of being a scare actor, I played quite a few roles ranging from mad scientist to clown. Each of those types of characters would have different laughs in my opinion. I mean, it's not necessary, but I think it's high on the character list. So, let's start off with something that isn't very common in the real world, which is your typical yandere laugh. For this one, it's key to starting a giggle, light and soft, then slowly build into that batshit crazy. Your giggles should be very unassuming at the start. Think of a flirty kind of laugh where you would just cover your mouth. Nothing too loud at the start. You use that when you start diving deeper and deeper into batshit. And finally, you've fallen off your rocker and just reached your climax. Oh, since I brought it up earlier, let's do clowns next. Clowns' laughs have the largest range of all of these and can be very customizable to the specific clown. For clowns, it's best to have the type of clown they are down pat before figuring out what their laugh is. For demonstrative purposes, I'll do my clown's laugh and a very stereotypical clown laugh. My clown is very brash and likes to make fun of anyone and everyone. The biggest troll that will taunt you as you walk down the hallway. So for her laugh, I tend to go very in-your-face punchy about it and not have the laugh linger very long at all because it's usually as they're walking by and she's jumping in your face. Now, mine and the typical clown laugh are very similar in a few ways, but not many. They're both very in-your-face and quick about it, but the typical one lingers for a bit longer. And I would compare this laugh to the middle of the yandere laugh, right as the giggles are transitioning to belting laughter. Very loud and forward giggles that are just kind of unkind to hear. Next, I'll do one of my favorites, the creepy little girl. This one is very subtle in comparison to the others, as it's just a very high-pitched giggle. The only thing special is that the giggle I do is a bit slow. Just to the point where it still sounds natural, but doesn't exactly feel natural. Of course, the right atmosphere only adds to this one. Add some disembodied children singing "Ring Around the Rosie" and some echo, and you got yourself something creepy. Oh, you've all heard that one before, haven't you? Every villain has done it and will continue to do so. This laugh is a staple. To explain how to do it, you first have to distinguish between your chest and your head voice, because this one is full chest. It's a very deep and guttural kind of sound. You should feel as though you're trying to go to your lowest point that your voice will reach, and just kind of go there. Not practical, no, but it sounds great. And last but not least, let's jump into the deep end of batshit crazy. Now, this laugh is very versatile and customizable, as it could be used for a lot of different characters. A mad scientist could use it right out of the box, no problem. What about a psycho murderer with a chainsaw? Yep, what about a hillbilly bumpkin that's lurking out in the corn? Oh, but of course. Now, that's all the time I have for today. So, thank you for watching. Have any other suggestions or requests for other EVA topics? Leave those puppies in the comments below. Or at me on Twitter, it's Creating Love. I still haven't changed it. I'm more than happy to help to the best of my ability. This has been episode number 20 of EVA. Break a leg and go out there and voice act to your heart's content. I'm gonna kill you.